Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is for the 6x6 challenge over on my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the video description. I'm beginning here with my background using the wrinkle-free distress technique and 3 different shades of distressing in shades of greens and yellows. Once my background has dried, I'm adding some stamping and some stenciling to the piece. I start with a typewriter text background from My Favourite Things, and I'm stamping this with Peacock Feathers Distress ink. After this, I take a Tim Holtz mini stencil and I use this with another distressing, this time in Mermaid Lagoon. To add further depth to the background, I've selected 2 additional stencils. These are both again by Tim Holtz, and again I'm using distress inks for these. The first colour here is Mowed Lawn, and then I go back to one of the blue colours that I'd used previously on the piece. This is a text stamp set by Tim Holtz called Stuff to Say. I've selected one of the sentiment stamps from this, which I'm stamping using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and then I select some Vines stamps by Lavinia, which I also stamp using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. As a final step on today's project, I'm taking a micron pen by Sakura and going over the text. This is going to make it a lot more bold than it is and make it a dominant feature of the piece. That is everything for today. I decided to keep the focal elements to a minimum on this one because the background was so busy. If you want to play along with the challenge, you can find the link to that in the video description below. The theme of Greenery can be interpreted in any way you want, so it could be just the colour green, or you could use any combination of vines, leaves, foliage or trees. So I hope you do join us on the group, and thank you for watching.